Go lay down. You are so sick.
No, just put it on my butt. Ow! Ow! My butt!
One more time.
I can't go. I laid in the ground.
Let's pretend.
Ooh,
Finally.
nothing behind me. Oh my god!
Shut up, you stupid ass. Oh,
Take this, you stupid. Oh, I forgot that. I just gonna do this. And then explode it on your face.
don't explode. Don't you dare. Ow.
I gotta explode this on your face. Don't press it. I gotta explode this on your stupid face.
No. Hey! Ow! My butt! My butt!
Want a nice surprise? You want?
Ah! You broke it! Now I have to put in so many beds now. Let's put one more bed here.
Can you just go here?
Yes. Oh! My no.
Your tennis
My tennis!
on your butt now, just.
No! Help! You were paid for this. Not that explosion.
Hamoud?
Done for the explosion time.
You know, I can't just put milk on your face.
Now let's explode this one more time because this is stupid. Kind of little. Oh, okay.
What is this junk box? I gotta get a dish.
Bye bye.
I put it in.
Hola! I'm coming to the house. I'm coming. Who keep breaking this?
What?
Okay. And I break this. And I put some things in it. The quavers! There's something flying!
No, I'm not gonna.
Save me, the quavers! There's something flying!
I'm not helping you.
Something is flying!
Can you turn on the slow just for some time? I'm not exploding your house. I swear.
I'm not promising.
I swear I'm not gonna.
Say I swear for real.
I swear for real.
Okay. Anna, you can
Don't see what I'm
just hit this.
Just don't see what I'm doing. Don't look. Don't look at my tab. Why did you unscroll that? Did you turn it on?
I will now. Let me see if I can find it anywhere.
What is it?
Mess.
It's making a trap. Yeah. I told you don't come.
I don't want any traps in this world. Now I will be your friend, Dado, for telling him. Because that was so close. He almost explodes a trap on me.
You don't know, and you don't know who I am. I'm the biggest stick.
The biggest fucking shit.
No, the biggest thief in this room. Because you don't know what I can.
Who cares?
TNT and explode.
Is he making a trap?
Just and now break this block. This one, the under one. The last one, this.
Is this a trap? I'm not falling for this.
Why you don't win?
I'm not coming back there. And I know, what are you doing here?
I'm just coming to you. We're coming house.
I knew you were gonna say that. Hey!
Why your house is too small?
Uh-uh.
I'm just gonna build like a crazy.
Okay.
I don't know why. I can't make a computer. Your house is small house is rare. That's I got a lot of.
If you keep doing it, I am kicking you out. You kicking your ass out of your little. I'm kicking you ass.
I'm taking your butt. Already, let me do a bridge. Show them my bridge.
Okay, fine.
Show them. Look at me. Look.
That's exactly the Quavis.
Just look more at the bridge.
I know you are trapping me there.
I'm just.
That was the plot.
Stop screaming on my ear. I'm
Because
gonna explode your face.
then I will kick you ass and kick you out of my server.
Already is nothing. Already is not normal bridge.
You blocked
Guys,
it.
join techpvp.net.
How many times you say this?
Already it's for Java at Bedrock. It's techpvp.net.
If you keep building traps, you are out of the server.
Okay. Just I gotta do it like this.
But I'm watching you. You can
I don't know what I'm doing here.
I wanna kill a kid. See, I can see.
Can you kill me? Can you fight me?
Let's kill Ian here. Kill everyone.
Just can you kill me? Just you can you fight me? I don't like killing you.
No way. I'm fighting anyone.
Where
That's
are you?
because I'm just a beginner, stupid.
Already you play
I'm not
Minecraft
beginner.
for
You
like
stay
a
playing
year.
Minecraft a lot of time and you still new.
Already you are the most noob one, I see.
Stupid ass bridge.
Already you can make bridge like me first to start.
I'm liking myself.
I'm liking myself too. Boy.
I'm being stuck here forever here. I want to be stuck here. Go away. Well,
From my butt. You just wanna be good. You just wanna go to the injured dragon and beat him in 1 second with my bed.
don't
Why did you
open.
drink? Why you are under the ground? Do you think I can't see you? I can see you.
I don't. Go away.
Go away. Stop making your butt too big. Stop doing. You knew. Don't let me kill you.
Get out. You are not allowed here.
You are. I already. This is. I'm not coming to this stupid house anymore.
Okay, but
First, I gotta tell you the sponsor of this video. This is Leo Stupid House.
this is not the video name, stupid.
I'm not saying name. I say sponsor.
Then who cares? Yeah. Why do you want us to follow you?
Not you.
Hamada.
I will show him something, but you don't know about it. It's about something very nice. يلا محمود اوكي؟ صور عن هذا الحكومة المهرة بدك؟
No.
لا
I hate this.
Secret base?
I'm exploding it! لك شغلات ثانية يا أخي كنت تعرف فلوس على الفاضي إياه اللي فجرته أنت اللي فجرته أنت اللي فجرته
You are the
لأنه أنت
first.
شفتني إياه ليش
على فكرة أنا كسبت بالصدفة.
ما تحكي عنه شيء